try this unboxing of the Melanin Haircare. I forgot what I wrote. Came like this. Not Melanin Haircare's fault. It's whoever was dealing with the box. But not happy about that. Yeah. Oh! You like it? Okay. So this is the scarf I got to replace a scarf that I've had for over a decade. It's time to go. And then this is a towel. Feels very good. You will be seeing me using this in future videos. This feels really nice. Yo! Tripped. I haven't tried this, but y'all let me know if you like it. That's pretty much it. You will be seeing these in future videos. Trust. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye. The twists are out. I stretched my hair and separated it into 4 sections. So now I'm going to shampoo using Donna's Recipe Extra Creamy Moisturizing Shampoo. It's very lightweight, but it's still creamy and has a nice consistency. This one you put directly onto the scalp and then work your way down. And my scalp and hair feel really refreshed after using it. After that, I'm going to use the Extra Creamy Moisturizing Conditioner, which is thicker than the shampoo. That's why it took a while to get out the bottle. You start with the ends and then up to the roots. So now that the conditioner is all up in the hair, I'm going to let it sit for 15 minutes while wearing a shower cap, even though they recommend 3 to 5. After that, I rinse it out, and then I go right into using the leave-in conditioner. This is even thicker than the conditioner, and I'm going to apply it from ends to roots, working my way up and detangling while I do that. I really liked how it was much easier to detangle using this leave-in conditioner, so that's a plus. So this is what my hair looks like after detangling and putting the leave-in conditioner all up in this section of my hair. I repeat the rest in the other sections and then get ready for bed because it was late and I was tired. It's officially the next morning. I had wrapped my hair in this hair towel, but then I had to run errands for the day, so I just fixed up the towel and got ready to run errands. Loved my shirt, by the way. Anyway, I came back in the evening. My hair did not leak through the towel at all when I slept with it and when I was running errands with it. It also stayed in place the whole time. Like I was afraid it was going to come off, but it didn't. I had some hair dye in my hair and it came out on the towel, but you can only see it on the inside, not the outside. So it's very stretchy, like a nice cotton t-shirt. And I love the towel. I love it. Yeah, see, I'm impressed. So now it is going to be time to take the twists out. I put my hair into 4 big flat twists. So I'm going to be using the extra creamy hair cream for the first time in a second. Here it is. That's what it looks like. And after that, I'm going to use the extra creamy hair and scalp oil, which I've used this several times. So I'm going to open up the extra creamy hair cream. It comes with a protector seal or whatever you want to call that. And this is what the cream looks like. Loved how it felt while putting it through my hair. But anyway, I gotta take off the earrings so they're not in the way, and then I'm going to take out the twists, put the cream in, then the hair and scalp oil, and do the same for the other sections. The light in the ceiling is quite bright here, so I crop it in the next part. So before I put the cream in my hair, I'm going to detangle a little bit more, and the hair is still damp. So after I detangle, then I'm going to use the cream, starting from the ends, working my way up to the roots, and I'll fast forward and come back when I add the hair and scalp oil. So this is what my hair looks like after putting the cream in there, and I'm blocking the light behind me, but looks nice. You can still kind of see the red hair dye I had in there, but after that I'm going to apply the hair and scalp oil to the ends and bring it to the roots, but I mainly put it on the roots. Oop, what? I can't open it? What's going on? I couldn't open it. I guess I need to dry my hands, but anyway, this is what's left of the hair and scalp oil. Clearly I used this a lot. I'm gonna have to get some more soon, but that's way less than what I had in the last video I did featuring this product. But I just rub it between my fingers and then I apply it to the scalp. And I think I put a little bit on the ends, but mainly on the scalp. So I'm going to fast forward through that, and then I'll come back to the next part. This is what the hair looks like after putting the oil in and detangling it some more. Boom. My camera started recording when I wasn't ready, so that's what this is. But you see how quickly my hair shrunk? Any hoosers, I'm going to do the other sections, flat twist the front, and come back when that's done. Here are the flat twists. I used the hair and scalp oil for each part. Wherever there's scalp showing, that's where I'm using the hair and scalp oil, okay? So now I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna lay my hair down so I can wrap it in the Melanin Haircare head wrap. This thing is so soft, but this is the longest scarf or head wrap I've ever had, so it took me a while to figure out how to lay it down and use it, but there's so many ways you can style it. But I eventually figure it out. I'm gonna fast forward. I'll give my final overall review at the end. Okay? All right. Overall, this process was pretty seamless. Using the extra creamy hair cream made a huge difference from last time when I didn't use it at all. It's very important to keep in the routine. My protective style lasted even longer because it was more moisturized using that hair cream. Donna's Recipe did recently release more products, but I'm not getting that right away, just so y'all know. But I love my Melanin Haircare hair accessories. Totally worth the investment. I want to get more. I might try some other products from there as well. But thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.